in some cases, you must start on track 1 and continue on track 2 in a regression workflow. To do that, you must first ignore the points from the regression line and then copy a set of points, because one point cannot belong to two different regression lines. So in this case, I'm using the transform tool with no delta, of course, to copy the points. And then be careful, because the elevation is not maintained during this transform, so I must copy paste the elevation. We can find other workflows like exporting, importing to keep the elevation, but that's not a big deal. So you have always just a few points there. It's probably just on a single element that you have to do this. And then I must do a selection of my points, just to add these points to the other regression line. So I'm using the point filter, which is really useful here. To do that, it's easy to find the points. They have been incremented. So select the points and add to the other regression line, which is the other track here. And you can see the regression line is now good, running from one to the other. So you can continue with the usual workflow, create single element regression. And in this example, just really as a sample, I can just add a few elements to my alignment. So my regression complex table is open. My regression mode is on. It's the top left icon in the regression complex table, so that all elements will be added automatically to my complex. We can see that with the regression being updated automatically. So do the same for a second arc here, and with enough space to be able to insert a straight between the arc. Again, it's just an example of the workflow. Here it is. We can see the regression line maybe is not useful here, so you can ignore the bond as well. Or here I can just set the points as information only if I want to check the offsets. Here it is, and you can check my alignment is connected and in good shape.